So slip stitch on next is chain once and single crochet into the space, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on next space twice, so that was 1, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, and that's the second, and chain 3 and 2 double crochet on top of the shell on the chain 3 or chain 2 space of the shell. That's 1, that's 2, and chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 double crochet on the same space, chain 2, another 2 double crochet on the same space, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip this chain 2 space and go into the next chain 3 space to make a single crochet. It's like that. Then chain 3 single crochet on the next chain 3 space twice, so that's 1, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 3 space, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip this 2 chain 2 and go into the next shell to make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 2, another 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 more double crochet, and so we got, it looks like that. So chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and skip the next chain 2 space and single crochet on the next chain 3 space. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 3 space twice, so that's 1, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next chain 3 space. And so we are repeating already what we've done at the beginning of the round. So we are approaching to make this shell right here in the middle of the heart. So we're shaping the heart. On this round, we're continuing to shape the heart. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip the next chain 2 and 2 double crochet into the next shell, 1, 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet on the same space, and then chain 3, so that's 3. So, and then skip the next chain 2 and single crochet on the next chain 3 space. So we repeat the chain 3, single crochet on the next space twice. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's the first. One, 2, 3. That's the second. At the end of the round, after the last chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single or slip stitch on the mark stitch. At the beginning of the round. And so that's how round 14 ends. And make sure to double check the work again to make sure that all the stitches are uniform and the number of stitch counts are the same. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on round 15.